welcome back to my channel. This is Ramya from Desi Gal 1010. So today's video I am going to show you my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks collection. I have about 7 in my collection and I'm going to swatch them, review them, and also give you lip swatches. So now the very first liquid lipstick trio I tried from Anastasia. This is about 3 liquid lipsticks and this was being sold for $25 on the Sephora, Ulta and Anastasia websites. Now this is a cruelty-free brand and they have changed their formula over the past years. The very first time I tried about 2 years, the liquid lipsticks were very crusty, very rough to feel. They weren't as smooth as they feel right now, and they were settling into the finer cracks of your lips. They still show the lip cracks very prominently. You have to exfoliate your lips, but they don't feel drying. They don't feel like they're sticking and they're getting very hard and crusty. It feels very smooth. They are transfer proof and they last for about 6 hours if you don't eat like really greasy food, and they fade evenly. So that's the best part. And the very first one I have on my lips, I have been rocking this lipstick non-stop since the last 3 days. This is the color Ashton, and Ashton looks like this in the tube. Ashton looks a little different on the side or even in the tube. That's how the color looks like in the tube. I assumed it's going to be more lighter, but it is a perfect nudie lighter brown on my lips, and that's how the color looks like. The color looks like that. So the next color I have is Katherine, and it's a really nice pink with a hint of watermelon kind of a shade. It's not too bright, it's not in your face bright pink. It looks absolutely stunning even in person. I love how this color looks like. That's how the color looks on my lips. Oh my god, I'm actually so surprised. This looks really nice and it doesn't make my teeth look that yellow. This next color in my collection that I picked up on is Madison. It's a really nice bright purple. It looks more brighter in the tube. I must say that's one thing I don't like. The colors look a little off in the tube online when you look at the tubes, but they transfer a little different. So I would highly recommend, if you have a store close by, or if you find someone who has really nice similar skin tones, just watch their swatches and then pick out the colors. This looks amazing. I'm so surprised. It looks so nice. I was a little scared when I saw the tube. I was like, oh my god, that looks too purple for my liking, and I'm not so comfortable rocking a purple liquid lipstick. But this, I must say, I think I'm going to wear this color more and see how it looks like. Oh my god, I'm actually loving this color. So that's the next shade in this collection that I picked up. Not the collection, the online order. That's how the shade on my hand looks like. That's Madison, that's Serafine or Serafine, I don't know how you say it. It's a beautiful red that's going to be perfect for every single skin tone out there. And I actually noticed a kind of smell. Not something that's... oh, I got some on my nose. So like I was saying, I actually noticed a kind of fragrance, not a fragrance, but some kind of strong smell in this particular shade. I didn't notice that with the other colors. I'm not sure if this kind of shade needed like a extra dye color or I don't know what. It looks, it smells definitely like a detergent-ish kind of a fragrance. I can't really put my mind to it, and I'm actually super happy with this color as well. Alright guys, so the next is going to be swatches from this small trio that I have from Anastasia. Now I actually mixed two lip colors right here. This is the Bittersweet and Hudson. That's how the colors look like. Now Bittersweet is actually a really nice traditional brown. I'm going to swatch it real quick next to this. It's a dark brown. It looks absolutely nice on skin tones like mine if you are into brown lips, liquid brown colors like me. And Hudson actually looks too light for my skin tone. It might be suiting you if you are a slightly paler, slightly lighter skin tone. So what I did is, like you saw the clip, I used Bittersweet towards the outer part and filled in Hudson towards the inner part of my lips and blended the colors. Now I didn't, I also want to tell you that mixing these two liquid lipsticks together made my lips more not touching as such, but I can feel that it lingers a little bit longer, and if you don't blend fast, it's still going to settle and dry down very fast. If you can see, the darker brown color peeps through more. It's like my perfect lips but better color. Alright guys, the last lip swatch that I'm showing today is Dazed. This has a really nice mixture of brown and red. It doesn't look like a stark red on your lips. So if you can see the color comparison, this is Dazed. I'm going to let it dry a little bit. That's Serafino, a blood red color. This is Dazed. It has brown mix to it, like a brick red brown, and it looks absolutely stunning. One of my favorite colors that I have been rocking in the last couple of months that I've picked this up, maybe the last month, not couple of months, and that's how the liquid lipstick looks like. So coming to the liquid lipstick tube, this is how the tube looks like. How the lip tube looks like, the applicator looks like. It's a doe foot applicator. One swipe is enough for transferring the liquid on your entire lips, except for the Serafino, the red color. I think I had to dip a couple of times back into the tube and apply the color. Apart from that color, even the lightest shade in my collections, that Hudson and Ashton right there, both of them applied beautifully well, no streaks while applying. The formula is extremely smooth, dries down within like couple of seconds, and it dries down to a really nice comfortable matte on your lips. Alright guys, so I hope you found the video helpful. I does take a lot of time to edit and film lip swatches especially. So I hope you support my channel. Hit that thumbs up button and also hit the subscribe button and the little bell if you want to be notified of my new uploads. Stay subscribed and follow me on Snapchat, Instagram. That's where I'm more active socially, except apart from YouTube. And Ramya signing off. Bye bye.